Ciao! Today I will be making some lovely soft apple cookies. A very simple recipe. You can cook a batch of them and they will last you for days. I don't think that'll be the case in my house. As always, when you're baking, making sure that you have got all of your ingredients ready so that you don't lose your mind. Start by breaking in a couple of eggs. And I will whisk them with an electric whisker. After a minute or so on the highest setting, add 100 grams of normal sugar and whisk again. Once the sugar is dissolved, you can add 100 grams of butter. Butter needs to be at room temperature, and what I have done also to make it easier on me, I've placed it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. And whisk again. Within a minute you will have a nice thick consistency, and that is when we are going to be adding some flour. I will be using some self-raising flour, and I will be adding a little bit at a time. This is 350 grams. Start on a gentle setting when you are blending in the flour. After the first lot of flour, I will be adding 10 grams of baking powder, and I will be increasing the speed now. Give it a little tidy up and add the rest of the flour and finish the job. And finish the job with a spoon. You will get a nice thick consistency and something which looks very much like this. And next I will be peeling a few apples. I've got 3 here. They're small ones, so I will be using 3, but if you've got large apples, 2 should be plenty. I'm using Granny Smith because they're a little bit more bitter in taste and sour, and they will balance the sweetness of the sugar quite nicely. Chop them in half and remove the core. And cut them into 1 centimeter slices, and chop them into 1 centimeter pieces into your bowl. Try not to make them too big, otherwise they will be looking disproportionately big against the cookies. Wonderful. Helped with a spoon, not start mixing them together. However, I will be using my hands to finish the job. This way I can feel every single piece of apple, and I can make sure that everything is covered in the same way. Place some baking paper on an oven tray and helped with a spoon and your finger, start forming individual cookies on your paper. You can make them as little or as big as you like. I like mine quite rich in apple, so if that is the case, just go back with your fingers and give your little cookies a better shape if you want to. And they're ready for the oven. In my case, my oven is a fan oven, so I'll put them in for 20 minutes at a temperature of 170 degrees. If you have a normal oven, just up the temperature by 10 degrees to 180, but still for 20 minutes. See you then. Just within 10 minutes, the cookie dough is wrapping around the apples and they're beginning to look gold already in color. That's why I love cooking so much, because it's like magic, a beautiful transformation just within minutes. And the magic continues. They are just out of the oven and they look absolutely amazing. However, I'm not going to tell Julie yet, as I would like them to rest for a few minutes. Look at how lovely they are, nice and gold, and they are piping hot at the moment, but they smell delicious. We will be doing some decoration next, so I will be adding a teaspoon of cinnamon to some icing sugar and mix it well together. Cinnamon is ideal with apples. Icing sugar is ideal with anything. Put some on a sieve and gently sprinkle it on top. As well as giving the cookies an amazing look, they will also taste delicious. And arrange them on a tray or on a plate, whatever you might have available, for a beautiful presentation. And it goes without saying that I'm gonna have to try one. Still warm. They'd be most probably better when they're cooling down, but delicious. The apples are still crunchy, and the dough is absolutely beautiful. Perfect. Wonderful. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hopefully if you make them, you enjoy them. Ciao ciao, see you later. Bye.